What's up, y'all? It's your girl Deja Monet back with another video. Eight. Dad.
Boy, if you don't.
Did y'all see my arm jiggle? Y'all, it's because I haven't been in the gym because I'm pregnant. Y'all see my tummy? How do I? Oh. Whew. I'm doing March. Anyways, as y'all can see, because I read the title, I'm pretty sure, or maybe not, you know, maybe you can't read, you're not old enough to read it, whatever. This is a unboxing video. I'm gonna be unboxing my iPhone 12 Pro Max. Yeah. So, yeah, let's get into it. Oh, freaking y'all, this is my second phone in 2 weeks. So I have the iPhone XS Max. All these different iPhones throw me off. The screen not cracked. This is screen protector, but the back of my phone is shattered. You can see it through the case. I don't even want to take it out because pieces of the glass are falling out. You see, there ain't even no Apple there no more. It's gone. But whatever. So then I bought I know it's not done, y'all. I was supposed to get them done today, but they was taking all day to deliver this package. Like, whatever. Anyways, so I got the iPhone 11 and, or is it the 11 Pro? It's either the 11 or 11 Pro. That's the one I'm recording on right now. And it's too small for me. Like, y'all, this phone, okay, I got big hands. Like, big hands for a female. See? So, that's why I always get the bigger phones. So I was like, you know what, whatever. They didn't have the 11 Pro Max or the 11 Max, whatever it's called. Me being me, impatient, I was like, whatever, just give me, and they didn't have none of the 12s. Whatever, so like, whatever, just give me the 11. And y'all, that junk is small. I'm gonna show you how it look in my hand. Y'all can tell the difference, like, in the camera quality from when I'm recording off this phone and the other phone. That's how I record. But let me show y'all real quick how small this phone looks in my hand. Look at it, like. And I mean, I was getting used to it, but I don't know. I'm just not. I just don't like it. It's just too small. And then the camera's pretty good. I like the way the screen look. Everything like looks more vibrant, like on the screen or whatever. Like, it just looks so like vibrant, like the colors and everything. Oh. Whew, I be getting people with screenshots, the FaceTime pictures. But yeah, but I like the color of this phone. Like, I like the, hold on, it's so pretty. Like, it's really nice. I really did like this color. And I'm like, I don't know, I'm kind of feeling this phone. I can still return, like, y'all, I'm so indecisive. I'm really feeling this, like, the red and everything. But like, I can get a case that's red. But I am kind of butthurt because I got the I got the gold one, and I was like trying to decide between the gold and the blue for the longest, and I ended up picking the gold. And y'all, hopefully I'm not gonna regret it, because I was watching YouTube and I saw somebody unboxing the gold and the blue, and the blue just looks so nice. My bad, y'all, I had to switch the phone back out, but yeah, the blue just looked so nice next to the gold. Maybe it was just because it was on camera, so the gold just didn't look as gold to me as it did like in the pictures and in the other videos that I seen. But yeah, but I had also did like research on the phone, like, oh, which iPhone was better or whatever, and a lot of people were saying like the gold one and the 12 Pro Max was better because of the whatever coating they put on the gold. It makes it more durable, and you know your girl be dropping her phone a lot, clearly, as y'all could see from the back of that phone. But yeah, let's get into it, because your girl been talking. Oh, and I also switched from the 11 because like I could be like saving money, you know, and keep the 11 instead of getting the 12 Pro Max. But this is the phone I wanted, and I feel like if I'm spending money on something, it's gonna be what I want. I'm not gonna be, because I'm the type of person I'm like, oh my gosh, I can't believe I bought this. Like, I don't even like it, or me knowing that it's something that I really wanted and I got the other option, I'm gonna be like upset. So why not just get what I really want? You know. And I also switched because the storage on that phone was only 64 gigabytes, I think. And y'all, trying to transfer everything over from the other phone, it wouldn't even let me, because the phone I had before that, the XS Max, had like 200 something gigabytes, and that's how much the new phone got, 200 and something gigabytes. So, and I still have space on my old phone, but the new phone, the 11 Pro, only has 64 gigabytes. I couldn't download no apps. Like on this phone, I don't have no apps. My pictures couldn't be downloaded because I have like 50,000 pictures, and I have a lot of music, like a lot of music on my phone. Like looking at my settings, I have like 12,000 songs. That's like 60 something. I think it said like 65, 70 gigabytes right there just on music. Like, let's open this up. I waited, y'all, to record to open this. So, yeah. Oh, and another thing about the other phone is, the other phone I had it through T-Mobile. Well, I was gonna switch over to T-Mobile because I was originally with Verizon. I was gonna switch over to T-Mobile, but I don't know, I wasn't feeling T-Mobile. So yeah. So I just opened it. It looks like this. Okay. Oh, I got other stuff too. I bought a phone case. See, the phone case is blue. It's the same color as the phone. It's the phone I originally wanted. I should have got the phone I wanted. But I had to give me an outer box phone case because, you know, your girl be, we ain't doing that. And this one not really cute. It's just an outer box phone case that was going to come with the phone, because I wanted to, I was going to order one like off Amazon, but it was going to take a couple days. And I didn't want to have this phone without no case. And the same with I bought hold on, let me show y'all. They did change the box, like the way the box looked. Like, I guess they trying to, I don't know, like it's a sleeker box. Like, you know, this box is all bulky. This one's sleeker. And that's how I look. It's the iPhone 11 and it's the 12 Pro Max. Okay.
Boy, if you don't.
Right. It's just plastic. I don't know why I'm acting like this, but I'm just excited. Okay. So That's how I look without the plastic on. Same, the exact same. So now we're gonna open it up. I don't like this. I don't like, look, cause, well, I don't know. Cause you know how like, when you first open your phone up, it's like kind of down. In the other phone, like in the old box, it's like down in here. So when you open it up, you trying to open up the box. The phone don't fall out. But with this one, as soon as you open it, the phone right there. Like the phone was right here. Like if I was to, this junk would fall. I should have. But I guess it's also a good thing because you know you open it carefully. But like trying to get your phone out of here, I don't know. One time I literally cracked my phone, my camera, my front camera, the day I got my phone. Like the day I opened it, like so when I opened it, when I opened up the box, because the box was so hard to open, it just fell. So that's why I'm like, ugh. But this is what it looked like so far, y'all. And I knew it. I knew I was gonna be kind of sad about this because the gold, like I thought, like I saw in the video, is not popping like I thought it was. So now I kind of want the blue. Like the sides look nice, but I don't like the, like it looks silver. It looks like white to me. Am I tripping, y'all? No. I might trade it in. I might send it back and get the blue one, cause yeah. All right, we're gonna take the plastic off the screen. Oh, but before we get into this, you know, they give you the regular, that, and a charger. But y'all, wait a minute. Cause your girl don't see no. Wow, that's crazy. So with the new ones, the headphones and the box piece to the charger is sold separately. Ain't that some BS? And this charger, like it said on the back, cause I was looking at this box. This one came with headphones, the cord, and a power adapter. It came with all that. Like here go the headphones right here. You know I don't use them, but like that's not the purpose. But this, and this looks weird. Like look, am I tripping? No, like this charger. Yeah, I'm not tripping. Look, what am I going? One, it don't come with a box piece. So what type of box piece am I supposed to? Okay. All right, Apple. I see how y'all. See how y'all playing your girl. It's fine. It's cool. They not on my good side right now, especially with this color. Like, I thought I was gonna be more excited. Let me tell you, I was so excited for this phone, and I don't know how I feel about it. Let's turn it on, I guess. Is it dead? Okay. Oh no, there it go. Okay. The cameras look really nice though. I guess. The camera does look nice, but I'm sorry I'm talking so low. I don't know. I feel let down. I need to stop looking like that. Verizon already has my cell phone number and stuff. So the phone knew like what number it should be on here like what number that should be activated for this phone. So it's already doing it. So it's literally taking the service from my other phone and putting it onto this phone. So I don't gotta call Verizon and be on the phone for however long trying to transfer my stuff over. It's already doing it. I just did my Face ID, by the way. That's why I'm all like, you know. I don't know. I might not, because I'm like, it just depends. Like, if they send me a new phone, like, first, and then I send this one back to them, then yeah, I'll do it. But like, if I gotta send it back and then wait for them to send me a new one, I mean, I don't know. It only took a day for it to get here, but still, I don't know. I mean, I'm about to put it in a case anyway, so. Anyways, I hate out-of-box cases because they so ugly. And they so plain and bulky. But you gotta do what you gotta do because your girl can't break her stuff, so. Y'all, I'm not as happy as I thought I was. Okay, y'all, so it's the final look of the phone. And I got it activated and everything. What the hell? Yeah, I'm not completely satisfied with it. I feel like, I don't know. And it's hot. I literally just opened it and it sat there and it like set itself up and it's like hot. But yeah, it's still cute though. I'm gonna put the case on it and the screen protector, and then yeah, I'm gonna play with it and I'm gonna figure out why it's getting so hot. But the camera's nice. I'm still upset about that. I'm still upset about that box piece. But yeah, I'm still upset about that box piece. Okay, y'all can see me. Gee, this how the camera look. And yeah. But yeah, y'all. I like it though. I like the way it's pretty sleek. I kind of like I don't know how I feel about the boxiness. I kind of like it. I like the gold. I like the gold ribbon of it. I like the way the camera looks. I just wish it would have came with a box piece and some headphones. I don't even use the headphones, but like, it's the principle behind it. Like, you gotta buy your own, really? Whatever. No, yeah, so. But yeah, that's it. That's it, and that's all, folks. Like, comment, and subscribe to this video. Comment down below what videos y'all want to see me do next, and yeah, just leave. I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and I'll see y'all next time. Oh, in my comment section, in the description box below, I'm gonna leave the link to my website for my business. I sell lashes and stuff, so make sure y'all go check me out. Make sure y'all follow me on Instagram, add me on Snapchat, and you can follow me. You can add me on Facebook too. Why not? But yeah, and I'm gonna leave both my Instagrams down, my business Instagram and my regular private Instagram, whatever you want to call it. And yeah, I can't do this dance. How did we? Somebody teach me how to do the dance. Let me know. But
boy, if you don't.
Anyways, let's get it. Let's go. Bye.